ating mga pakiramdam. Ako po si Sugar para sa Good News.
Mike! Mike! Alright, magandang tanghali po Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ito na po programang inaabangan nyo tuwing now we're back. Alas 12:30 po ng tanghali. Ito po ang Kumpletos Recados. Ako po si Dennis Antenor Jr. At syempre, kung napapansin nyo, merong mood dito sa loob ng studio na
Hello? Hello?
Ay,
Hello?
Meron.
Hindi, andito ako. Hindi, ibibigay ko lang yung mic.
Halis ka na agad? Ang bihira. Okay, kasama ko po ang, para mas maganda yung ano natin, mas maganda yung hapon natin ngayon, ha? Okay, kasama ko po ang mga candidates ng Miss Scuba Philippines. And to talk more about Miss Scuba Philippines, kasama po natin ang National Director po ng Miss Scuba Philippines. Walang iba kundi si Muhammad Ali Mactaug. Can I call you Mac na lang?
Yes, it's Mac.
Hi, Mac!
Hello.
Palakpak naman. Wala akong palakpak siya. Ayan. Hi, Sir Mac. Kumusta po kayo?
Well, I'm good. Although very stressful in work, but I'm still,
Stress because of the pageant.
yeah,
Oh.
because of the preparation and a lot of guestings. So I believe it will be good naman after the pageant.
Well, the way I see them, they look good. And alam ko naman it's a good... Sige, pag-usapan na natin, Miss Scuba Philippines. Ano muna yung Miss Scuba Philippines and why Miss Scuba Philippines?
All right, Miss Scuba Philippines, it was started in Indonesia last...
Indonesia?
Yes, last 2011.
Last year lang?
Yes, the winner, the last year winner was from also Indonesia.
Okay.
So this pageant is focused more about marine conservation,
Okay.
marine tourism, and promoting diving industry. So
Okay.
that's why our slogan is Saving Ocean Through Beauty.
Wow.
So
Great.
these girls are the materials. They are the materials for saving the ocean.
Okay.
And probably they will become a certified diver, especially the top 5 winners for this for this pageant. So a lot of things to do. Marami silang responsibility kasi talagang for me they don't just use their beauty, their physical beauty. For me, as a national director, I want them to be more responsible about saving ocean.
Okay, ito yung mga guest na dapat natin gine-guest dito, hindi na natin tinatanong. Nalaman na natin no? Okay, how many candidates do you have now?
Well, we've conducted national screenings, so
Okay.
probably
National screening from town to town, city to city, ganun ba yan?
So I think it's more than 100 applicants,
Wow, talaga?
but only 10 candidates chosen to be the
Tapos
lucky
sino
finalist.
nagde-decide na, you can join? It's a no, it's a yes. May mga judges.
Well,
ba?
during the screening, we
Yes.
have judges composed of different kinds
And
of people.
judges will be the judge na rin for the coronation.
No, probably yung sa screening namin iba po yung judges.
Kasi kadalasan ng
namin,
mga nagja-judge yan, mga miyembro ng mga komite, di ba?
Yes, yes. So
Good.
our judges for the coronation night galing po sa mga sponsors namin
Okay,
and
great.
some officials in Subic. Kasi our coronation night will be held in Subic Lighthouse,
Okay.
Marina Beach Resort.
This coming
October 27,
October 27 and which happens to be what day? Saturday ba yan?
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay. Para mas maganda po yung inyong panonood, kasama ko po rito ang dalawa sa mga nagagandang kandidata ng Miss Scuba Philippines. Ayan. Please introduce yourselves one by one. Go.
Okay, I'm first.
Yeah.
I am Hannah Joy Chagademit. I am 22 and I proudly represent Puerto Princesa City.
Puerto Princesa. Uy, kagagaling lang namin dyan Wow. Dami nanonood sa atin dyan sa Puerto Princesa. Palawan. Okay. And?
I'm Maria Angela Espinosa, 24 years old, from Quezon City.
Yan. Kanina si Sir Mac mentioned lahat daw kayo marunong scuba diving. Ayoko Tagalogin. Ayoko Tagalogin. Okay, marunong kayo. Especially sa Puerto Princesa, of course, right?
Actually po, first time ko pong matutong mag-scuba diving. Yung nasa,
Is that the requirement, Sir Mac?
Yes, probably it's requirement because from the title itself, Miss Scuba Philippines. So it's additionally promoting na yung scuba diving.
Yung seas, no?
Yes. So, kasi we believe, how can you help the ocean?
Yes.
For example, the cleaning of the ocean underwater.
Yes.
Kung hindi ka naman marunong mag-dive. Yes.
So kailangan pala marunong ka mag-dive.
So some people are curious why kasi we Filipinos are very
Of course.
masyado tayong mahilig sa pageant.
Saka mayaman tayo sa seas, di ba?
Yes, so some are questioning why Miss Scuba Philippines? Bakit ano yun? Tawag nito pagalingan ng sisid daw. So sabi ko
ayoko nga Tagalogin.
Sabi ko it's not actually kasi ang focus dito is ocean.
Okay.
So kami parang principle namin yung sa pageant na to is parang more on more on saving ocean, and we want also to preserve all the marine animals, and of course our corals. Kasi masyado na tayong damage pagdating sa dagat, pagdating sa kalikasan.
Okay. And one way of taking care of the dagats is through this pageant. Okay, Hana ba, Hana?
Yes, sir.
So how was it? Requirement siya na marunong kang mag-scuba diving. Ayoko Tagalogin. Marunong kang mag-scuba diving. So how was the learning? How was the learning? Kumusta yung pag-aaral mo ng
syempre,
scuba diving?
Sabi nga po nung nag-seminar, kami po, hindi po maiwasan na kabahan ka underwater po kasi. Pero na-enjoy po namin lahat kasi na-excite din po
I bet. Tapos yung place nyo pa, Puerto Princesa, wow, di ba? Pagdating sa dagat, napaka-yaman nyo sa Tapos iba yung discipline ng mga taga Puerto Princesa, right? Iba, big deal sa kanila ang dagat, right?
Po.
Tapos ang ganda-ganda talaga ng Puerto Princesa.
Thank you po.
Hindi ba doon gagawin yung Grand Coronation Night sa...
Very short kami sa time.
Okay.
Actually,
Pero you're thinking about it?
yes, kasi for me,
Very
gusto kong iikot dito Not only focus in Metro Manila. Gusto ko lahat ng mga magagandang places tulad ng tulad ng Palawan, Boracay, Bohol. Then probably Subic ang napili namin kasi sila yung una nag-response na
very good.
magsusupport sa amin, which is the Lighthouse Marina Resort. So we have also participated their international cleanup drive last September 15.
So
So
sana
probably
sumabay kayo sa makabagong bayanihan namin, yung Manila Bay, di ba?
No, actually,
So
we are
diba?
willing naman if a group will invite us.
No problem. Just leave your number. We'll call you.
Alright.
We'll be doing that again next year. Okay, si Maria naman. Maria, from where are you na nga?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. Wow, dagat. Quezon City. Pero ikaw, marunong ka talaga mag-scuba dive.
Hindi, doon lang ako natuto.
Saan? Dito sa pageant na to? Kasi it's a requirement. So how was it? Kumusta ang learning?
Okay naman. At first, syempre, medyo, yun nga, nakakakaba. Pero, pagtagal, okay naman siya, masaya.
Sandali. Nung natuto sila na mag-scuba dive, ano to? Is this for free na binibigay mo seminar sa kanila? Or the learning, the schooling itself? Anong nito?
It's free actually. Ngayon,
From the pageant committee, from the sponsor.
Actually, I have noticed ngayon ko lang nalaman na sobrang expensive pala ang scuba diving
Of course,
sports.
I know.
Sa gear pa lang, sobrang mahal.
Yes.
But we are very lucky kasi we have some people na talagang tumulong sa amin. Like, can I mention it?
No problem.
Okay, the Boardwalk Dive Center, which is based Boardwalk Dive Center. It's based in Subic. Sila yung gumawa ng training. Sila nag-provide ng trainer.
For the girls.
Yes, and the Aquamundo.
Okay.
Ito isang store ng diving gear.
Okay.
Located in Makati. So sila yung nag-provide talaga ng gamit, oxygen, everything. So parang doon ko na realize mahal pala. Sobrang mahal. Yeah.
Super mahal.
Yep.
I can just imagine habang doing the auditions. Do you know how to make sisid? Marunong ka ba sumisid? Marunong ka mag-scuba dive? Meron kang gear? Paano mo nalaman? Di ba mga ganun? So lahat sila tinanong?
Yes.
Or, kanina tinatanong, di ba, nag-aaral pa lang, especially Hana. So yung iba sa kanila, hindi talaga, yung natanggap sila sa pageant na yan, hindi sila marunong talaga. Dito lang sila natuto. Wow, adventure.
Kasi ngayon nga, sir, kasi I'm very particular kasi sa pag-follow ng rules ng international organization. So,
the beauty pageant itself.
Yes. Kasi I asked them actually, kung sino bang kukunin kong candidates, divers ba? So, I think wala naman, since mahal ang diving, sobrang mahal, walang regular na girls or typical na Filipina na talagang nagda-dive. As you can see, lahat ng nagda-dive dito sa Philippines is foreigners. They came from different countries. So, kasi nga...
Ironic, no?
Yeah.
Diba, ang dami nating dagat sa Pilipinas. Ang marunong sumisid, mga foreigners.
Yun nga kasi mahal daw eh. So, sabi nila, you have to select girls na walang alam sa diving. Kasi we're promoting the diving industry. So, kailangan natin transparent yung girl. Kailangan magaling sa diving, matalino, maganda, typical beauty queen. So parang it's really hard hanapin yung ganong klaseng babae kasi maraming pageant sa Philippines.
Yes.
Sobrang dami. So marami kang kaagaw. Sa screening pa lang, mahihirapan ka na.
Of course,
So ayun, so they're lucky kasi na-try nila yung diving industry. Talagang sobrang nag-enjoy sila. So, even me, never pa ako naka-try. That's why I told the...
Ikaw ba, marunong ka sumisid?
Of course.
Very good.
I'm a diver.
Okay, pinag-uusapan natin yung audition kanina. Meron nung isa sa mga natanggap po for this beauty pageant. Kasama ko po, nandito po sa tabi ko. Bigyan lang natin ng mic. Hi! The late, what's your name?
Carla. Yeah, hi, I'm Carla.
Carla.
From Nueva Ecija.
Oh, Nueva Ecija.
Yeah.
Kaya yata masyadong dagat sa Nueva Ecija.
Not much. Bukirin.
Oo nga, no? Oh. And now, galing ka ba sa Nueva Ecija?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Okay. Tell us something about Nueva Ecija. Wala naman masyadong dagat dyan.
Wala
Pero you know how to make, she said.
Yeah, I tried scuba once. Then,
How's it?
Enjoy.
Okay, very good.
So that's why when I heard Miss Scuba.
And you heard it's one of the requirements, right? You know?
So, nung nalaman ko po about the Miss Scuba Philippines, so talagang nag-pursue ako.
Okay.
Then sabi ko, this is different experience.
Oh, I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Sa mga nanonood sa atin, yung mga scuba diving ba, may mga level ba yan? May mga grade? Parang
kasi
karate?
Like for the first, they call it discovery diving. Then, may acquire ka yatang levels to get the license para yung solo mo na yung mag-dive without the trainer.
Oh, very good. Very nice. Okay, wala tayong oras. Bibigyan natin yung mga girls to a chance to invite our viewers and listeners to watch your Grand Coronation Night will happen on... Go ahead.
This will happen on October 27 at the Lighthouse Marina Resort. So, guys, please do go to Subic and support us.
Yes, and the people from Nueva Ecija.
Yeah, hi.
Ano ba salita doon? Ilocano ba?
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Tagalog and Ilocano. Then
Ilocano.
some Kapampangan.
So you know how to know Ilocano?
No, Tagalog lang
Tagalog.
talaga.
Okay, thank you very much. Carla? Okay, Hannah, invitation natin for the people.
Okay po.
Ay, may mic ka pala. Okay.
Hi po, ini-invite ko po kayo na please support niyo po yung first Mrs. Scuba Philippines 2012 and sa coronation sa 27. Yeah. Kita-kits po tayo.
Wala mga tao, kinakabahan ka na. Lalo na siguro sa sa Grand Coronation Night, di ba?
Ewan ko lang po. So, dapat...
Kaya nga yan. Ang kailangan lang niya, sumisid lang tayo. Okay, go ahead, Maria.
Sa lahat na nanonood dyan, iniimbatahan niyo po namin kayo na manood ng Coronation Night sa the Marina, Lighthouse Marina at Subic sa October 27.
Wow. Okay, so sa Subic may dagat, di ba? Baka magkaroon kayo ng mga fun shoot doon, mga fun videos, di ba? Sa Subic. Okay. Again.
We had our first training in Subic.
Sa Subic. Meron na, nanggaling na kay Subic.
Yes.
Okay, and National Director, okay, Sir Mac, go ahead. Invite po natin special two sponsors.
Alright, I'd like to invite everyone to please watch the first ever Miss Scuba Philippines.
Wait. Anong Facebook? Facebook nila? Facebook.
Okay, Facebook.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ulitin ko, sir.
Sige, go.
Again, the pageant will be on October 27 at the Lighthouse Marina Resort. 8 p.m. Actually, you can go to Subic and have some more fun because it's free. So after the pageant, we'll
Free yung?
entrance. No
talaga?
entrance fee, yeah.
Oh,
It's in
tingnan mo
the
nga yan.
seaside. Gagawin po siya sa gilid ng dagat. So, marami po kaming surprises kasi kakrown na natin yung first ever Miss Cuba Philippines. She will going to represent the Philippines on November 30 in Bali, Indonesia.
Ooh.
So,
Good luck, girl.
again, it's Lighthouse Marina Resorts and sponsor ko, pwede kong...
No problem. Bigyan
Alright.
na namin ikaw ng billing.
Alright, thank you.
Sige, go ahead. Joke lang yun.
I'd like to thank my sponsor. The sponsor of Miss Cuba Philippines, our supporters, Aquamundo, Trocadero Bar and Restaurant, din Boardwork, Dive Center, the Lighthouse Marina Resorts, the Province of Zambales, and the other sponsors na hindi ko pa
Ayan, wala sa
nare-recall sa
listahan.
ngayon.
Baka may
Oo.
magtampo sa'yo.
Wala naman. Huwag na kayo magtampo, please.
So don't forget, the Grand Coronation will be on October
27.
27. Falls on a Saturday. Saturday yan, no? Saturday night yan, di ba? 7 p.m. Okay, girls, good luck. May nagtatanong ng mga Facebook nyo. Ano tinatanong nila? Facebook?
Facebook ng Scuba.
Facebook ng Scuba. Hindi,
Okay.
yung girls.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Ba?
Oh,
We have also a website, www.misscubaphilippines.appspot.com.
.appspot.
Yep, appspot.com.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
our Facebook page is Miss Cuba Philippines 2012. Just click the page and lahat po ng events, activities namin, even ngayon, nandun po lahat.
Yung cameraman dyan, no? Yung nakatapat sa inyo yan. Tinatanong niya, yung Facebook account nyo ba na? Yung mga picture nila nasa Facebook.
Yes, of course, nandun lahat.
Yun yung question mo, no? Thank you very much. And girls, good luck, good luck. At palakpakan natin ang mga girls natin. And good luck din, Sir Mac. Thank you very much. Magbabalik po ang Kompletos Regalos. Diyan lang kayo. Yay!
Thank you po.
Okay. Nag-start pa lang kami.
Sa bawat pamilya may masarap magluto. Tama ba ako, Chef?